In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel United Airlines tickets. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official United Airlines website. This is where you can manage an existing reservation and begin the cancellation process. Make sure you're on the correct United page before entering any trip details, especially if you came from a search result. Once you're on the home page, look for the My Trips section and click on it. This area is specifically designed for viewing and managing bookings, including making changes or canceling a flight if your ticket is eligible. If you don't already see the trip lookup form, click on My Trips again if needed to open the full trip management page. Next, enter your confirmation number in the appropriate field. This is the booking reference tied to your reservation, and it helps United pull up the exact trip you want to manage. Be careful when typing it in, since even a small mistake can prevent the system from finding your booking. After that, type in the last name associated with the reservation. Make sure it matches the booking exactly as it was originally entered. This step is important because the system uses both the confirmation number and the last name to verify and locate your trip. When both fields are filled out, click Next. United will then load your reservation details so you can review the itinerary and available options. Take a moment here to confirm that you're looking at the correct flight before moving forward. From there, select Cancel Flight. You should then see a confirmation screen asking you to verify that you want to continue with the cancellation. Choose Confirm Cancellation to finalize the request. Before you confirm, it's a good idea to carefully read any on-screen details about fare rules, cancellation eligibility, or timing, since these can affect what you receive after canceling. Once the cancellation is confirmed, United will provide your available options, which may include a travel credit or a refund depending on the type of ticket and the airline's policy for that booking. Read these options carefully so you understand what you're receiving and whether there are any conditions attached, such as expiration dates for future travel credits. And that's it. By going to the United website, opening My Trips, entering your confirmation number and last name, clicking Next, and confirming the cancellation, you can cancel your United ticket online in just a few minutes.